Today, I'm going to be answering a question that I get asked a lot. Is there a free Spocket plan? I know that a lot of people are looking for a free way to start dropshipping, and Spocket is a great platform to use. But before you get too excited, I want to be honest with you, there is no free Spocket plan. However, there is a free trial that you can use to test out the platform and see if it's right for you. The free trial gives you access to all of the features of Spocket, but it's limited to 25 products and 50 orders per month. So, if you're just starting out with dropshipping and you're not sure if Spocket is the right platform for you, the free trial is a great way to give it a try. Now, let's talk about the different Spocket plans. There are 3 paid plans. The starter plan. This plan costs $29 per month and gives you access to up to 250 products and 250 orders per month. The Pro plan. This plan costs $99 per month and gives you access to up to 10,000 products and 10,000 orders per month. The Enterprise plan. This plan is priced individually and is designed for large businesses. So, which plan is right for you? It really depends on your needs. If you're just starting out, the starter plan is probably a good option. But if you're already selling a lot of products, you may need to upgrade to the Pro or Enterprise plan. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, Spocket also charges a transaction fee for each order that you place. The transaction fee is 3.9% plus 39 cents per order. So, when you're deciding which Spocket plan to choose, be sure to factor in the cost of the subscription fee and the transaction fees. So, is there a free Spocket plan? No, there is not. However, there is a free trial that you can use to test out the platform. If you're looking for an affordable and easy-to-use dropshipping platform, Spocket is a great option. But be sure to factor in the cost of the subscription fees and the transaction fees before you sign up. With said, thanks for watching.